What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I want to talk about how you can invest in Safemoon. I've had a lot of people ask, how do you actually purchase Safemoon? It is a little bit of a difficult task. For those of you that don't know, you probably shouldn't invest. And no, this is not investing strategies, or I'm not saying you should buy Safemoon. These are just the steps to follow to purchase Safemoon if you choose to do so. And Safemoon is a cryptocurrency that has a lot of hype behind it right now. So let's take a look at the computer. I am currently in my Binance account. So Binance has two different exchanges. They have Binance.com and Binance.us. If you were in the US, you have to use Binance.us. That's a change that was made earlier this year. So I'll leave a link in the description for you to get set up with Binance, okay? So once you are in your Binance account, and you can see at the top right here, they have the buy crypto, your wallet, your trade, orders, and what have you. I'm currently in the trade tab under advanced, right? So once you're in trade and advanced, your dashboard would look something similar to this. And this is where you'll actually exchange your crypto for what we need is BNB, right? So you could either, so if you look on the left-hand side, it says US dollars or Bitcoin. If I have USD in my Binance account, I want to come down to BNB, right? So BNB to USD. That is what you need. You need a BNB crypto to exchange for Safemoon, right? So you would come in here, and on the right, you can execute. You could place your order right here. You would just put your amount that you want to put in. Currently, the price of a BNB is $623.66 US dollars on Binance, right? So I would just change this to however much I want to put in, or I could type in the total US dollars in the search bar right here. Currently, I don't have any USD available on Binance. If I wanted to actually do something, I would have to exchange with Ethereum because I have Ethereum on Binance. But if you have Bitcoin, you could just click Bitcoin right here, and you could do BNB to Bitcoin. You could do that as well. So you could either trade Bitcoin for BNB or USD for BNB. All right. So once you have your BNB, we now have to get that BNB converted to a smart BNB smart coin. So we got to get it off of Binance, right? So what you need to do is go to wallet and withdraw. So you're going to want to withdraw from your Binance wallet, and we got to put it on another wallet called Trust Wallet. That's where we're going to be able to purchase Safemoon, right? Because we're going to purchase on Pancake Swap, but more about that in a minute. So you go into your wallet right here, and where it says withdraw coin, you would want to drop down, and you're going to want to scroll down to BNB because you currently purchased BNB, correct? And then over here on the right-hand side, it's going to say select withdrawal network. It should be BEP2, it's the only one there. And then recipient's BNB address, right? So what you're going to have to do is open up a Trust Wallet account, right? So real quick, jump over here to trustwallet.com. They have an app you can download on your phone as well. You're going to want to come in here and sign up with the app. If you have a Apple or Android, just download it on your phone, and you'll be good to go. You'll also want to enable DAPP browsers, the DApp browser on the Trust Wallet. So if you just Google enable DApp browser, this will pop up, right? So what happens is once you enable it, you'll just come through here through the steps. Step one is going to tell you to open up your Safari browser, not Chrome. Type in this URL right here, and then click go. It's going to prompt you to open this page in Trust. You'll hit open, and then once you do, the Trust Wallet app will launch that DApp browser, and that'll be the little browser you see on the bottom of your Trust Wallet application. This will allow you to access Pancake Swap to exchange for Safemoon. So let's jump back over to our Binance account. And your recipient's BNB address is going to be your Trust Wallet BNB address. So I'm going to pull up a screenshot right now of what your inside of your Trust Wallet will look like. Open up right here. You can see this is the BNB coin on Trust Wallet. So if you open your Trust Wallet and you click a BNB, it'll look like this. And then as you can see here, it says receive. You will want to click receive because you want to receive your BNB, right? So you click receive. your page will open up like this, and it will give you your BNB address, right here on this page. You'll want to copy this BNB address, and you'll want to paste it on your Binance recipient's BNB address right here, right? So you're going to paste it right here, and then you'll want to put the amount down here. You can either click max, you can withdraw the max amount of BNB that you just bought, or you could type in whatever you want. There's going to show you what your fee will be. There is fees associated with all of these transfers that happen in the crypto space. And then you'll want to hit submit. After you hit submit, it may take a little while for this transfer to take place. And once it does take place, give it a couple minutes. It may sometimes could even be an hour. I'm not going to say that's how long it's going to take, but you're going to want to submit this. You're going to want to be patient. Eventually it's going to show up in your Trust wallet. Just make sure everything is correct. Your BNB address is absolutely correct. It is the most important, and make sure that you are sending from BNB as well. Like, make sure everything's correct, right? That's the most important thing. Once you have BNB in your Trust wallet account, open up your BNB coin on Trust wallet like this. Click the more button on the right, just under the quantity of BNB you have, next to the receive button. And then there's a button at the bottom that says swap to smart chain. We have to swap your BNB to the smart chain so you can transfer it to Safemoon. All right. So once you click swap to smart chain, it'll ask you, it'll just open up another pop-up and be like, how much do you want to transfer? And you can put max amount, however much you want to transfer, do the max amount. Once your transfer is complete, it'll look something, your screen will look something like this. You can see on the main page, it'll tell you the quantity of smart chain you have, and what have you. Once you have your smart chain quantity available right down the right, that little browser tab at the bottom, the second button on the bottom that says browser, the dApp browser, open that. If you don't have that, make sure that you Google enable dApp browser on Trust Wallet and go through this process again. As soon as you open that browser, it'll look something like this. And you can see right here that you want to scroll down to where it says new dApps. Once you get down to the new dApps area, just scroll down until you find Pancake Swap. It's literally a picture of pancakes. Click Pancake Swap. Once you click Pancake Swap, your app will look like this. It'll now be opened up to the Pancake Swap exchange area. Once you have that opened up, you can see right there, it says exchange, like, cause it says swap liquidity, and then the bridge, you just want to stay on swap. It says exchange, and then it says from and to. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to swap from your BNB to Safemoon, right? So again, swap as much as you want to swap to Safemoon right here. Once the swap is complete, you'll submit your swap. But prior to submitting it, before you hit submit, it says there's that little button right here on the right. Click that. It's the little settings tab. And what it is that's your slippage. You can see right there where it says slippage. And you can do your slippage. What this is how much you're willing to spend, like the above or beyond the price of the current, because the volatility of the coin changes. So how much it's a fee, pretty much. Honestly, if you put a lower slippage, it may take longer for your order to execute. And ultimately, if the price goes up, the order may never execute. It just depends. So if you want to guarantee that your order executes immediately, you're going to want to allow a pretty good slippage. I would say maybe 5 to 10%. And you will know immediately as if it works. Like, you'll hit submit. If your order goes through, it'll say, congrats, your order has went through, and what have you. If for some reason your order says error and it does not execute, it's more than likely because of the slippage that you have too much. You're trying to convert too much BNB. So you're converting your max amount of BNB, right? And then you're not accommodating for the slippage or allowing for the slippage where there's that fee, right? So you're actually losing the amount of quantity of BNB you're transferring. Or converting, so that you actually need to go and lower your BNB just a little bit, like incrementally keep lowering it until it says you've success and the transfer went through and you've converted to as much Safemoon as you possibly can. So I really hope that helped. That was pretty much step by step everything you need to do. Again, Binance, Trust Wallet, convert it to smart. You have to get BNB, convert it to smart chain, right? And then make sure you have the dApps, and then go to the Pancake Swap and swap it to Safemoon, right? And if you want to obviously go the other direction, just do all of the steps, but in reverse, right? Pretty self-explanatory. I really hope that helped. And as always, thanks for being here. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.